My name is Catherine He. My ID number is 3066122. This is for Introduction to Veterinary Technology, fall of 2016. For a nail trim, you'll need nail clippers and then Quick Stop, which is a styptic powder that stops the bleeding if you are to hit the vein. First, for black nails, you don't really know where the vein is, so you want to go slowly, a little bit by a little bit. Just start at the very tip, right where it hooks, and just do a little bit at a time. You want to push back the hair if it's growing over the nail at all so that you can see it clearly. Just a little bit at a time. Go to the next nail. For dogs with white nails, you'll be able to see the vein in the nail, so it makes it a little bit easier. Just a little bit at a time. If it is to bleed, all you do is take a small amount of the styptic powder and press it firmly against the tip of the nail where it's bleeding until it stops.
Go.
Okay, to clip a cat's nails, first you'll need nail clippers and then the styptic powder just in case you clip one of the quicks. First thing you do is take the paw pad and the nail in between your thumb and index finger and apply a small amount of pressure so it makes the nail extrude. And all you do is just clip until you can see the vein. Not too close or you'll make it bleed. And you just do one at a time. You want to push back the hair with your finger. And make sure you remember the dew claw. You should be having someone properly restrain your cat so nobody gets injured. And that's it. To hand pill a cat, you're going to do the same thing that you do with a dog, which is hold the top part of the mouth and then gently pry the bottom part open, and then place the pill as far back into the throat as you can, and then massage the throat to make the cat swallow. You want to make sure that there is no chewing or the cat doesn't spill it out, which he did, and that's it. Okay, to pill a dog, all you need to do is open their mouth, pending that they let you do that, and take the pill and shove it as far in the back of the throat, and then massage their throat until they swallow the pill. For some drugs, it helps to wash down with a syringe of water carefully so you don't cause aspiration. That way the pill doesn't get stuck and cause irritation. Okay, so now we will be trying to catch a midstream urine sample on a female dog. The reason that we catch it midstream is to minimize the risk of extra bacteria from the urethra or the vulva. The goal is to keep her on a short leash so that she doesn't get too far in front of you, and bring her in, and as soon as she starts to urinate, wait a couple seconds and just slip a shallow container or food dish. You do want to make sure that the food dish is clean. It under, and I have an ample urine sample. To apply a gauze muzzle, all you need to do is come from the rear of the animal and have a loop ready. You're going to have a large loop so you don't startle the dog. You're going to reach over, tie it around the muzzle, and then loop around. This causes them not to be able to open the mouth to bite you. Just loop it behind their head and tie in a quick loop knot. That way you can take it off quickly if needed.